quick video on taking out screws with red thread locker on them, so make sure you have your right Allen key. And these have been there for about probably 2 years plus, with a moderate amount of red thread locker. Soldering iron here, nice and hot. It's got up all the way. I'm going to go ahead and hit the soldering iron right on the head of the screw inside. Same spot where you'd put the key. And just hold it in there for 15 seconds or so. I'm taking this one off of my AK and I'm going to put a riser on it and put it on an AR. So I'm just switching it around. So that should be about good. And break it free, just like that. So while red thread locker is really works really well and it secures it, at the same time it will come off too with heat. So there we go, nice and hot. Just like that.